In today's fast-paced world, where artificial intelligence and productivity tools are transforming the way we work, one tool stands out as a game changer: Notion AI. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create a blog post using Notion AI's free template. What is Notion AI? Notion AI. It's a cutting-edge feature embedded within Notion, leveraging AI to enhance various aspects of your work. From summarizing messy notes to generating actionable next steps from meeting discussions, Notion AI is your secret weapon for improved productivity and creativity. Let's explore Notion AI's key features. Automated summarization. Quickly extract crucial points from messy notes. Instant action items. Transform meeting notes into actionable steps. Effortless summaries. Create concise summaries in just 30 seconds. Key takeaways. Surface essential insights from various sources. Enhanced writing. Improve writing quality with spelling and grammar correction. Multilingual support. Reach a wider audience with translation capabilities. Tone enhancement. Adjust writing tone for different contexts. Content length control. Fine-tune your content's length. Simplification of jargon. Make technical terms accessible to everyone. Overcoming writer's block. Get started with AI-generated drafts. Seamless continuation. Let Notion AI maintain the flow of your work. Expert validation. Praised by industry experts for its efficiency. Cost-efficient solution, all-in-one tool that saves you time and money. Notion AI pricing and plans. Now you might be wondering about the pricing. Notion AI is available as an add-on to Notion plans, starting at $10 per member, per month. And guess what? Plus, business and enterprise plans with annual billing enjoy a 20% discount on this AI add-on. Adding Notion AI to your plan is simple. 1. Click on Settings and Members in your sidebar. 2. Click on Upgrade. 3. Under Notion AI, click Add to Plan. Notion AI for blogging. Let's talk about using Notion AI for blogging. We've prepared a free Notion template that guides you through two methods: one prompt blog post and step-by-step prompts for blogging. Whether you're a pro or a newbie, this template's got you covered. This template is designed also for the Notion AI free trial, so you can dive right in. You'll discover how to create professional headlines, optimize your SEO, and even explore different writing styles. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Notion AI's incredible capabilities. Click the link below to access the free template and start your AI-powered writing adventure.